Greetings everyone. We are Team Sickle Housing First Aid Kit, introducing our all-star lineup: Prachi, Palriwal, Ariba, Priyanshi and Rashwika from Birla, Balika, Vidyapeeth, Pilani. Take a look at these pictures. 52% of farmers face frequent and severe injuries from their tools with inadequate medical care. What if the harvesting tool could be redesigned to cut the risk of injury as effectively as it cut the crops? Our innovation makes this possible. Imagine Mahesh, a farmer who suffers a deep cut from his sickle, with no first aid kit nearby and miles away from medical help. This delay can worsen his injury and increase his suffering. What if the sickle itself could offer immediate medical care? Introducing the Sickle with built-in first aid kit. It features a weather-resistant handle with medical supplies for immediate injury care, designed for comfort and durability. It ensures safety is always within the reach, making farmers safer and more efficient.
This is a sickle.
And this is a prototype with built-in medical compartment.
To open it, you have to pull the compartment with force.
The compartment comes with automatic lock system which makes it weather resistant.
The game changer in agricultural safety with dual functionality and integrated first aid kit, which revolutionizes agricultural safety, extending to other agricultural tools, turning them into vital safety assets, and redefining designing and farmer safety. Our solution provides a comprehensive approach to on-site care to farmers. For more details, please visit the URL given below. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe.